Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, over here, you guys might not see, but I've got the 3x3. And in today's video, in the 3x3, we're going to be doing the flag series. So till now, I have done flags all the way till F. And in today's video, I'm going to do them for G and H. All the flags that start with the G and the H. So let's start. If you have your country in this video, tell me in the description below. And let's start now. With